So last class already we seen right. So how to configure Jenkins? There is we see right some of basic configuration and all, and how to configure, how to add users. That is role based authorization status and all. And today we'll see. So that is very what is the Jenkins master and slave concept. So what is Jenkins master and slave, and so how it will work. Can you see my screen? So before that, just I log into my server AWS account. Let me start my instance. Is it visible or not?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
visible.
sir.
Okay. So it started. So now if you go to Jenkins intro, also many people asking. So what is Jenkins master and slave architecture? So this is very simple only. Just try to understand. So Jenkins master and slave. So as of now, if we create any job, if we create any job and right, so if you run any job by default, so our job will be executed in which mission? Which mission? Only master only. So if I create any job, if I create any job and if I run any job by default, so our job will be executed only master. But if we come to real time, organization means so there is multiple jobs running. Organization means there is multiple jobs are running. So now see, just assume multiple jobs running and multiple projects. This Jenkins server is running. Let me show you here. I spent. So same concept only. So this is my Jenkins server. Just assume this is enterprise Jenkins server. Enterprise means organization level. All jobs are running here only. This is the maybe Linux or anything wherever it may be running. See here. This is the Jenkins server. Now, if you go here, there is multiple masters, multiple slave missions we are maintaining in real time. Why you go for means this server is running US or in this server. So right. So this is the organization, and we have multiple branches: Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and every branch. Right. So multiple projects running, multiple peoples working parallelly. Here, see, there is a 40 jobs running here, 40 projects. For every project, we have multiple jobs. For every project, there is multiple peoples working parallelly. If all are accessing this server means that is very difficult to give access and all. This is enterprise means we are maintaining US or UK, somewhere they are maintaining only one Jenkins server. This is enterprise Jenkins server. Enterprise Jenkins server. This is the enterprise Jenkins, and all organization projects and all running here only. Now, so just assume, so simply, so this is the one branch Bangalore, one branch Chennai, one branch Hyderabad. Now this is enterprise Jenkins server. People are working here only, offshore, right? This is the on-site, just now. So few projects running here, and so few projects running here, and few projects running here. Okay. Now, so this is the three branches. Just assume Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and all. Okay. Now, if every suppose if you don't have this is a branches. If you don't have heavy slave concept, all jobs running, all projects running, master itself. This is a master. This is simply we are calling Jenkins master. But if we come to real time, we are maintaining one slave mission. So this is the slave. This is the slave mission. This is also one slave. There is man slave. This is also slave. Okay. Now why you go for slave? So if you don't have this slave mission, this is also one mission, guys. That is maybe Windows. We are maintaining Windows, or Bangalore we are maintaining Linux. In Chennai, Hyderabad also we are maintaining some Linux mission or whatever it may be. That is based on our requirement. Now here 40 jobs, right? So here it is running 10 projects. Here 10 into, for example, 5 means at least if we take 5 people, 50 people working. So here, Hyderabad. And here also there is 50 people working in Chennai. Here also 60 people working in Bangalore. Hmm. If all people try to access this Jenkins server, if all jobs running only Jenkins master, there is a burden, right? Correct. Now got it. First point. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we are maintaining in real time. So these jobs and all creating only master only. But if I run my job, where you want to run your job, whether you want to run master job or whether you want to run here. So, but almost if big organization, if very small organization, very small projects means we are running master only. But if you come to MNC companies, if they are maintaining multiple projects and multiple people working, many people, so this is handling is very difficult. If all jobs running here also, that is a space problem. One more thing, space problem. One is accessing issue, accessing, and also space. If all 40 jobs, every project, at least we are creating 4 jobs or 5 jobs or 10 jobs, right? If every time, if I run all jobs here only, the main thing is space problem and also performance problem. If multiple people accessing, if multiple jobs running only here, so there is a space problem and accessing problem. There is a lot of issues in real time. To overcome this problem, there is a concept master and slave. So jobs and all we are creating master only. If you run that job, where you want to run, which mission you want to trigger. That's it. Very simple. Now got it. That is very simple only. Now see here. So this is the first. Let me connect this instance. If you understand, that's it. Nothing. I am going to split multiple slave missions. My jobs I am going to run. So multiple slaves only. Wherever you want. That is. So maybe Windows mission. Now check it whether Jenkins server is running. How to check it? So see here sudo systemctl status systemctl status Jenkins. Now see here Jenkins server is running. Even my instance is restarted. Even my instance stopped 2 days. Now I started, right? Still my Jenkins server is running. Why it is running? Anyone? Actually 2 days back we created, right? I stopped my instance. Just now I started my instance. Even my instance is started. My Jenkins server is running. Enter also one or two people they asked. There is two commands, right? If you want to check the status, one is service command and other one is systemctl command. What is difference between service command and systemctl command? Anyone? Service and systemctl command. So if you use service command, up to that instance is running, it is working. Suppose if you restart your instance, your service is not running automatically. If you want to enable at BIOS level, even my instance is restarted, I want to start that service automatically. So that case you should go for systemctl, guys. Now got it? Just remember one line. So if I can start with the help of service also. I can start with the help of systemctl also. If you run your any service systemctl, that is we are enabling at the BIOS level. Even your mission restarted or stopped, and always that service is running. That's it. Clear? Now observe here. Actually 2 days back I created, I run and all right. Now still I am able to access my instance. See, still service is running. Jenkins service. No need to run again multiple times. Okay. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is interview also many people ask. Just remember. And so even you can use service also. But if you restart your mission, again we need to start your service. But if you use systemctl, Always, even if machine is restarted or shut down, again it is started. By default, it will start the service. So that is the main. Okay. So now, so Jenkins service is running. Now I'm trying to access. Now see here, this is a job. And just assume this is my enterprise Jenkins server. Now, if I create any job, if I create any job where this job is running, guys, test uh, one or test hyphen job one. I created one job. And if I run this job, by default, this job will be executed with mission
Master, sir.
master only. But if you come to see here, in organization means not only one project, two projects, multiple projects running parallelly and multiple people accessing this job. And just assume for every project, the space is at least 500 MB or 400 MB, something based on that project. Now, one day, if I run 50 times, how much space it will occupy? Just assume this is the one project. Just assume this is the one project. So these people are running, right? This is the one project, and this project size is 400 MB. If I run one time job, it is generating artifact files, it is generating some reports and all. So this is a 400 MB. So like this, one day, one project, so it is a minimum at least they are running, so 5 times or 10 times or 20 times. At least take 10 times. 10 into 100. At least how much it will occupy? 4 GB, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we have 40 projects. 40 projects, there is a nearly 100 people, 150 people working on this all projects. They are running multiple times. So now see here we have at least a 500 RTB and all, but daily we are running, right? That the main thing is space problem and also accessing problem and also performance problem. There is a lot of issues. So that is the reason what we are going to do. So now here if I run any job, it is triggering here only. Now see here, see it is running here. If you go this job and if you go see console and we can see this is the workspace, variable lib Jenkins workspace and all. This is your master workspace. This is your Jenkins workspace. Now got it? I don't want like that. So now if I run any project here, okay, jobs and all master only. If I run any job, I want to trigger in this mission or my project. I am working Chennai. I am working just assume this is I am working different project. This is I am working so test project. This is I am working a DevOps project, and so this is I am working DevOps project, and this is I am working .NET project, whatever it may be. Okay. If I run this job, .NET related job, I want to trigger. I need to move that workspace and all in this location, Bangalore location. Suppose if I run any test related, suppose if I run any DevOps related jobs and all, that workspace and all, I want to move Hyderabad location. This is also one mission, guys. This is also one instance. Don't confuse here. Here, my Jenkins server is running Linux mission. So these all are also missions only. Any that is Windows, Linux, whatever it may be. And these are the different locations we are going to configure. That's it. Very simple. Now clear? Anyone any doubt here? Yes or no?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now see how to implement. Now, so as of now, if you go to manage Jenkins, if you go to manage Jenkins, enter also many people, almost all people asking what is Jenkins master and slave. Okay. There is one option, guys. Nodes and clouds. It's not recording. Okay. So nodes and clouds. This is the option. Earlier it is only nodes. Now they added extra feature also clouds. Cloud. add remove add remove control and monitor the various nodes that Jenkins run jobs. This is nothing but node. Slave slave or node both are same, don't confuse here. Sometimes people are calling slave or node, both are same only. Node mission or slave mission. Now see here, click on nodes and slave. Now see here, this is in built-in node. Built-in node, that is a built-in node means this is your master, this is your master. Okay. So now see here, this is the default one only available. So this is the only one only available. And if you run any job, it is running a particular mission only. So it is running a particular mission only. So now see here, if you run anything, it is running here only. Now see here, build is triggering. Now see here, waiting for available executors. No internet. What do we have, right? Actually, it is showing offline. That is, I trigger that one. Still see pending, waiting for the next available executors. I didn't change anything, right? Actually, it is online only. Okay, I log in. First log into Jenkins server admin. I didn't log in, right? So that is the reason. Okay. Now I log in. Go to manage Jenkins and go to nodes and clouds, and this space is low. Now see here. What is the problem, guys?
No space, sir.
Now also we can find one problem. What is the problem? Suppose if all jobs running master only, disk space is too low. So how to increase my disk space? So go to here, go to instance, and so anyone.
Stop
So
the instance, sir.
mm, first stop the instance, and next
Actions.
select the instance and go to actions,
Yes,
and
sir. Instance settings.
where is that instance settings? Next
Instance. I think it's not at stopped, sir.
it is stopping, not stopped. Okay. So only 8 GB, right? Almost full. Now stopped. Select this. Go to instance and sorry, go to
Actions.
actions, settings. Uh, Next,
Instance type. Change instance type. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
micro. This is instance type. I want to increase size.
Medium, sir. T to medium.
That is type, right? I need to increase size. This one, 8 GB size.
Yes, sir. We can increase here only, sir. By selecting T3 medium, it will increase, no, sir.
Change. This is a type. We are type. Select instance. Go to here, instance type, and so change. This is instance type.
Sir, it increases both, sir.
Okay.
Uh,
Select this one, and now it is a micro, right?
yes, sir. Medium.
Now medium, T2 medium. Go to here, M1, M2, RST, T2 medium. So this is the T2 medium. Now T2 small, T2 nano, T2 medium. Okay. Now apply. Size it won't change, right?
It will increase both the CPU and RAM, sir.
No, no. Actually, we need space. This space. Where is storage? Here, storage, right?
Yes, sir.
Here, how much? 8. What is the size here? 8 GB.
8 GB, sir.
I want to increase this size. Okay. 8 GB. That is edit option.
Click on volume ID, sir.
Volume. Now
Actions.
actions.
Modify volume, sir.
Modify volume. Now 8 GB. Now I'm giving 30 GB. Up to 30 we can apply. That is free only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Apply. Modify. Okay. Now it is modified or not? Now 30 GB. Okay. So now coming to EC2. Now go to here. There is my instances. Jenkins server, just run the start instance. Now got it, right? So actually we are seeing, so disk space is too low. So only see here 0.44 only MB available left. So now just I increased. I increased. Okay, this is one problem real time also. Real time also same problem. So if multiple jobs running master machine, automatically space will increase, right? Space will full. So that is the reason. So we are creating slave machines. That is the node machines, and the jobs workspace and all we are moving to particular node, particular node. Now got it. So now we see one problem. Same problem we are getting real time also. Same problem. Most of the cases we are getting this issue, space issue. So that is the reason we are creating a nodes and we are moving that jobs and all particular node only. Now click on this, copy this public instance and go to here 8080.
Sir, to avoid the traffic and increase the performance, we using master and slave, sir.
Main master and slave traffic, performance and space issue and access issue.
Okay, sir.
Now go to here, go to manage, go to nodes and nodes and clouds and see here now 20 GB free. Why it is offline? Now click on job and now click on any job. Now observe here whether job will execute or not. Now see here there is no problem. Earlier we are getting pending, right? Now job also executed. Now this is the workspace. Now this is the default workspace. So same way, let me create one slave mission. How to create slave mission? Same story. Go to instance, go to EC2, go to instance, and click on instance. And I'm giving so slave or node, just whatever name. And this is my I'm giving like BNG or slave uh, slave hyphen. I'm giving CHN Chennai slave mission, whatever name, and same Linux mission only. T2, this is the free tier is enough for me. So this is also enough. T2 micro for enough. This is slave only, right? Key pair. I am using same key pair, and so the remaining same options. So anyway, I'm giving so 20 GB, 20 GB. Just launch the instance. Just launch the instance. Just launch the instance. That's it. So now observe here. Now this is the master. Now I have two instances. So my Jenkins server running here. Now just now I created one slave mission. That is a node. So this is also same mission, guys. I selected which one? Linux only. This is also Linux mission. And so few jobs I want to run here only. That's it. So now this mission is ready. Now see here. Now I created this mission. So now this is ready. Now I created one mission. I created one Windows or Linux, whatever you want. So I created one slave mission or node. Okay. This is ready. Now my Jenkins master, it is running up and run. I increase size also, everything okay. Now I am going to create one job here. And if I run that job, by default, that job will be executed master only. Now what is our target?
We
I
have to
want,
execute the
yes,
job
yeah.
in
So
slave, sir.
that workspace and all, I want to move Chennai mission, Chennai slave mission. That's it. Okay. That is very simple. So now click on this, refresh it, whether slave is ready or not. Once that is ready, that's it. Okay. Now let me connect this one. Still not yet ready. Now I'm going to create a few jobs. Now I'm going to create few jobs meantime and come to here dashboard and I'm giving okay DevOps Chennai dev job. Just I given for understanding purpose. So this is Chennai. Apply save. Now I'm going to create one more job, one more project. The new item. So DevOps project name is DevOps CHA. Then test job I created. Just for your understanding purpose, just how it will execute. Now come to here, new. So DevOps hyphen so BNG stage. Okay, select apply. Save it. Now see here, whatever you want, we can create it. So new item and so DevOps HYD. Just I given water production. Okay. So there is many jobs I created and many projects. Few jobs running I am going, or else we can create different projects also. So now that is okay. Now come to here. This is ready or not? Okay, click on this. Still not yet ready. Okay. Now copy this. Now let me connect this instance. Go to PM file. Right click. Show here. New. Sorry. Git bash. Just to paste it. This is a slave machine, guys. This is a slave. Yes. Okay. So now, so where is PWD? I am in here. Now, if you run any job, where you want to trigger your jobs and all, which path? This is my master, right? So this is my master. Now, if I run any job in slave mission, in our slave mission, so in our slave mission, where you want to trigger, where you want to trigger. So that is particular path and all we need to give. So now observe here. So this is the Jenkins master. Okay. Now, if I come to here in Chennai location, this is a slave. Here I am going to give one path, whatever path you want. Okay. So this is the Jenkins DevOps workspace. Jenkins, whatever you want, that is your wish. Okay. Jenkins DevOps underscore, whatever you want, hyphen. So DevOps or Jenkins workspace. Simply I am giving a Jenkins workspace. That's it. This is the simply Jenkins workspace. So this is very important. Okay, this is the so very important. Now this is the master. Now this is the slave mission. So now this is already ready. Already last class we created everything done, working fine. Just now I created one slave mission. Okay. Now so I'm going to create one workspace for Jenkins purpose. Okay. So if I run any job in this mission, so where you want to trigger. So that I am coming to here PWD. So PWD just create mkdir. So Jenkins hyphen workspace. Whatever you want, that is your wish, guys. That is your wish. But here I created same like I am following. Now see here, I created one directory. This is only one directory. Don't confuse here. This is only one directory, guys. Don't confuse here. This is one directory. One path I given. Okay. Now cd space Jenkins workspace. So this is my full path. So this is my full path. This is my full path. Okay. So this is my full path. Okay. This is my full path. So slash home EC2 hyphen user under EC2 hyphen user Jenkins hyphen workspace. I given one workspace. That's it. Now come to your Jenkins. Where is your Jenkins? Now go to dashboard. Now go to manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. Click on the nodes and groups and see here. Right now this is the default. See here already one node is available. So this is the default node. It is running. This is the master only. Now click on new. See here new node. Now if you click on new node, give any node name, guys. Whatever you want, we can give. So now I'm going to give node name is okay. Okay, slave. This is any name, that is your wish, but give some proper name, or I'm giving so DevOps slave, whatever your name. Okay, so now select a permanent agency, add plain pregnant. So that is the permanent agent to Jenkins. This is called permanent agent because we can use. Okay, click on next. Now it is asking some basic information, description. So for this is for so DevOps jobs. Okay. Now how many executors you want? So now slave is I created, right? This is my slave mission. So by default, how many slaves available? How many executors available, guys? Default. How many? Default
One,
two.
sir.
Default here one. By default master. Master two.
Yes, sir, two, sir.
Slave only one. Suppose if you want to, we can increase. Here also I need two. Now what is the root directory? Remote root directory. So where you want to save your all jobs and all. This is a master. This is a slave path. So this is my path, right? This is our path. Copy this path wherever you want. That is your wish. Copy that path and paste it here. This is the remote root directory. Now observe here. This is the remote root directory. Paste it. That's it. Now label name. So label is nothing but for this slave mission, we need to give one name. We can give same name, or if you want to, we can change. Anyway, node name and my label name both are I'm giving same name. Or if you want to, we can use change give a different name also. Select this one. Now usage. See here, only builds jobs with label expression matching. If this match, if I run any job, if that job matched this label, trigger that label. That's it. Now here, there is see here two options available. Launch agent via connecting it to the controller, or launch agent via SSH. Now how we are connecting, guys? Now this is my master and this is my slave. This is also Linux server. This is also Linux. How these two are communicating each other with the help of SSH. Now see here. Now select via SSH. Now give the host name. Host name is nothing but your mission name, IP address. Whatever you want, we can give. What is your IP address? Go to here and come to here. Master IP or slave IP? Which mission you want to connect? I am in Jenkins, right?
Master, sir.
If no, no. So already you are in master. This is everything ready. Now we want to connect which mission? Slave, right? Node. So
Yeah,
we need to give only slave IP.
yeah, I think.
This is the slave. Click on this, copy public IP, or we can copy private, or if you are assign anything, that is your wish. Okay, now where is that? Come to here, give here. Now, how to how would you like to connect this mission? Now I'm connecting this host, right? How we are connecting as of now? With the help of PM file, right? Just now I connected. How I connected here? మీరు ఎలా కనెక్ట్ అయినారు ఇలా? So here I given sh-i, your PM file and username, and this is your DNS name. This is our IP. We can pass it. Correct? Yes or
Yeah,
no?
yeah,
Same
correct.
same. We need to add here also. Come to here and credentials. So I need to add credential. Click on Jenkins add. Already you know username password. Now there is one more step. Now I don't have username password. I have PM file for this instance. Correct? So I have PM file. How I am connecting here? With the help of PM only. See here, PM file. This is my public and private key. And already I know username. I know IP address. Now how to connect? Now see here, this is real time. Mostly we are following this one only. Select. So SSH username with private key. Now got it, guys? Anyone any doubt?
Yeah,
Now I don't have username password. I have PM file, that is public private key. Select this one, and so this is the ID. Okay. So can I slave whatever you want we can give slave mission. copy, description also we given, and hyphen and all it won't allow. So then unacceptable character, SLA, space also it will won't allow. So that is copy this one and paste it here. Okay. Now here it is allow. This is a description, right? So exclamation. Okay, username. Tell me which user I connected here. What is the username here?
Easy to use it, sir.
Same. Copy this one. If you know these steps, nothing. In real time also we are following same strategy, same steps. Okay. Now, so do we have, now see here there is a private key. There is a private key. Click on this. Now this is a key area. Now already we are PM file, right? So go to, where is your PM file? This is my PM file, guys. I am with the help of only I am connecting. So open it in notepad and copy this entire key. Don't change anything. Don't modify anything. It won't work. Got it? So copy this and so come to here. Come to here. Just add. Just paste it. That's it. Don't miss any character. Control A, Control C, and come to here. Paste it. Now got it, guys? Anyone any doubt here? That's it. Now see here. Select credential. Now I connected. Now this is the host key verification. Okay, manually provided key verification strategy. That's it. No need to do someone manually trusted and verification key. Trusted verification, manually trusted key verification strategy. I added manual, right? That's it. Save. Now anyone any doubt, guys, here? Yes or no? How to configure, how to add slave. Now slave is ready. Now go to manage Jenkins. Now go to nodes and clouds. Now if you observe here, this is the master built-in node. It is online. Now see here, it is online. Now if you see here, just now I created slave mission. It is online or offline?
Offline, sir.
Offline. Now if you click on this, now see here, this agent is offline because Jenkins failed to launch agent. Okay. Now go to in this mission and connect this mission. We need to install Java also. It is running on jar file. Sudo yum install. I am installing maven. Anyway, everything it is coming, right? Hyphen y. That's it. Java is mandatory actually. So I forgot to install Java. So now it is unable to launch that instance. So unable to launch that instance and all.
Now we are installed in master node. No?
No, no, not master, slave.
I think now we are installed that master. No?
This is
It
master
will
or
say,
slave? 59. Which one? This is the master, right? This is my master.
yeah,
Master no need to do. Already we master and all everything done, right? Last class.
okay,
We
okay,
set up. In master Java is available already. I connected
okay,
slave and just I done. Okay. Now come to here.
okay,
Now come to here. Now click on this. Now click on see launch agent. Okay. Now it is trying to download one jar file and the agent successfully connect online. Now see here, agent successfully connected and online. Okay. Now if you want to, we can check here also. Earlier is it offline, right? Now we can see. Now got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These same issues we are getting real time also. If agent is offline, what you need to do? We need to check whether agent is running or not, and do we have any issues and all. We need to check it. Now just assume this is my DevOps Chennai job, right? Or this is the DevOps test. Now if I run this job, see I am clicking build now. Now by default it is running master or slave?
Master, sir.
Master. There is no doubt. Don't confuse here. This is a master only. See here, variable lib Jenkins workspace and all. I don't want run my master. Now this job I want to execute in my slave mission. Now got it? That is the whole story. I don't want run my job in master. Where you want to execute? Slave mission. Clear? Now go to here. Go to here. And which job you want to run, guys? This job. Click on this job name and go to configuration. And so here restrict where this job can be run. Whether you want to run master or whether you want to run slave mission. Tell me. If you want to run master, no need to do anything. Now I want to run this job slave mission. Select this one and label expression. What is your label name, guys? Your node label name. Which name? I given one name, right?
DevOps slave, sir.
DevOps. Now see here, automatically it is populated. See here, DevOps slave. That's it. Remove that space and all. Now see here, that is done. And so come to here, remaining no need to do anything. No need to do anything. Apply, save. Now run this job. Run this job. Now see second job executed. Now go to here, go to console. Now where this is executed, guys? Workspace and all.
Jenkins workspace.
Slave or master?
Slave, sir.
Now see here clearly we can see building remotely on slave, and this is your workspace. Already I created one workspace here, right? So now see here ls td space Jenkins workspace, and your job we can see here. Now see here, this is your workspace, cd space workspace. Under workspace we can see your job name. See, DevOps hyphen test. This is the whole story. In real time we are following same strategy. Now see here, I am coming to here. I want to run this job also same my slave mission. I want to run that also in slave work, that mission also. So now how to run it? Go to Jenkins server. So go to Jenkins server, and which job you want to run? I want to run this also. Now just now I executed uh, which job? This is the DevOps Chennai test job. Dev also I want to execute slave mission. Click on the job name and go to configuration section, and so here there is a one option, restrict where this project can be run. Now got it? Select this and select your DevOps. What is the name? Label name. This is the node name. Okay. And so select that one and apply, save. Now see here, build now. Now we can see one more job also here. Now see here, dev job also executed in which mission? Master or slave? Only slave mission. Very, very important. Now anyone any doubt here? Configuration and all, how to create jobs, and how to configure master and slave, and how to create and how to run your job in particular slave mission. That's it. Now tell me, so what is master and slave mission? And if you want to connect, if you want to run your job in slave mission, what are the steps? First, we need to create the node. We need to create one node. So how to create node and all? This is the option. Nodes and clouds. Click on here. This is the default one. Just now I created one. If you want to, we can create one more also. If you want to, we can create one more also. Now see here, we can give any name. Now for example, test node. Select. Suppose if you want to copy configuration and all other job, other node, that case we can select this is the existing node. What is the node name? DevOps. So this one. Copy existing node. It is copying same setup, same configuration from existing. I don't want existing. I want a new one. Okay, click on create, and this is the node name, description, pass how many executors you want, and give the your slave machine workspace path, and give your label name, and select here. So only build build jobs with label expressions, and so give your select launch agent via SSH, enter your public key, private key, and add your credentials, and select your manually trusted key verification, save it. That's it. This is the one step. Once that is ready, and so create one job, and go to here which job you want to run. Select any one job, and see here, go to configuration. Under configuration, this is the mandatory where you want to. Suppose if you are not configure this one, where it is executing, the the job will trigger which, master or slave?
Master, sir.
Master only. That's it. Nothing. So this is very very important, and real time also we are mostly we are using, and also many people asking in interview also. That is Jenkins, and so master and slave configuration, master and slave configuration. This is the Windows. I will send this document also. Whatever steps I explained, same steps I noted somewhere. I will share that also. Jenkins, Tomcat, Master Linux. Okay. So this is, anyone any doubt, guys? What is this? Jenkins Maven, not this one. Mm, Master slave. Oh, yes, yes, it's. This is the file, and the same steps I written here, and just follow as it is. Just follow as it is. But this is the Java 1.8 that time I install. Now we can follow same steps. How to configure, and how to add and all, and how to run it. Mm. Now see here, restrict, select your enable name, and just execute it. Clear, guys? So anyone any doubt? What is master? What is slave? Yeah,
Sir, PEM file added in credentials should be masters or slaves, sir.
only slave. No need to add master. Only slave. నేను ఎక్కడ యాడ్ చేశాను ఇక్కడ? Now wait.